Locate the browser on the desktop. Paste the copied backend URL. Click to select the first search result. Use your account registered on the Skin Analysis app to log in by directly entering your email address and password. Choose to remember the account for 3 days. Click Login after filling in the information. Find Product Management. Find Add Product. Enter the product name. Enter the product price. Select Image. Find the product image. Select the applicable care area for the product. Select the care department. Select the corresponding skin problem severity level. Select the product's grade positioning. Enter the product efficacy description. Click Save after completing the input. Choose to add another product. Once all products are added, go to the Login Account section. Select Log Out to exit. The explanation of product addition is complete.